Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video here we successfully update our this active button, right? So right now every menu, when you redirect it to any other menu, then automatically our this active class is activated, right? So for the menu we have successfully done that work. So now friend, before going to more deep, I want to actually add this project to the GitHub. So then actually it will be better. So here I have already downloaded this GitHub software. So here if you are using that Mac, you can download it. If you want to add that Windows, you can download it. Okay. So I will actually share this file with you. That is not your part, but I want to add this project to the GitHub. Then it will be very much helpful to you. So I have already downloaded, and now that is my GitHub, one of the accounts. So into this account area, I want to create one of the new repository. Okay, so here you can see that is a clear option for the new repository. So now I click as a new one. So for this project, so that is I will create one of the school management system, right? So I want to create one of the repository. So that is LBD easylearningbd.com. So now I want to create it as a school management. Okay, school management system. So this type of one of the repository I want to create. Perfect. So here also I want to make it as a public, for the reasons you will get all that code, whatever the things I will update it for this course, automatically it will be share all that file, in particular that GitHub area. Okay, so for this I make it as a public, and that will be our URL. So now perfect. Now click as a create repository. So you can see our repository is now created. So now we have to actually init it. That means init our this project. So here I want to go to our project directory, and this all that file I want to share. Okay. So for the reasons here I click as a open with the git bash. That means the git bash here. I have already installed this software, as I told you. You can download it. That is the git bash, one of the software. So right now, first of all here, that is actually the command. First of all, we have to init it. That means the git init. So I copy it, and now here I paste it. So I just click as enter, and now you can see there is actually initialize all that code into the git folder. So now after that I want to add this in our git. I copy it, and then I run this second one as a git add. Now click as enter. So now it will be actually adding all that our file. So here it will be adding all that file to the git. That means here it will be added. Okay, so it may take little time, so better when it will be done, then I will come back again. So now here you can see it's now added all that our file, and then I want to commit it. Better I want to add this command as a fast commit. Okay, so here I make it as a fast commit. Now click as enter. I want to actually share this file with you, then actually it will be very much helpful. So now it's committed all that our file, and also it's may take little time. So here we have to wait for it. So better when it will be done, then I will also come back again. So now it's committed all that our file, and after that here we have to add our repository link. I have already created this one. So here right now they have no code, you can see. So that is actually our repository link. So I copy it, and now here I want to update it. So I make it as a paste. So right now we have to make it as a git remote to origin. That means onto the origin file here it will be actually transmitted all that our file. So now I copy it, and now here I want to paste it. So now after this I want to click as a enter. Perfect. And after that I have to push it. So here I have to push it into the origin master. So now I copy it, and after that I want to push it. I just click as a paste, and now click as a enter. So now it will be push all that file in our this repository that I have created. You can see it's now uploaded all that our file. So now all that our this localhost file will be saved in particular that area. Okay, so that's all that our localhost file, and now it will be available in particular this area. So here you have to wait for it a little bit. So now here you can see it's now done. Okay, that means every file is now in our this repository. So now if you want to check it, like if you go to that code, yes, you can see all that our localhost file is now on here. Okay, so right now I want to do whatever the things I will do in particular this folder area, and after that I will push that file to the GitHub. Then automatically you will get all that updated in particular this repository. Okay, So here I successfully updated my localhost all that file, and you can see that I just make it as a fast comment. So right now you will get all that file from here. That means whatever the things I did for this project, if you go to that app, and with the app there is our HTTP. Into the HTTP here there is you can see there is a controller, so I have created some of the controller into the backend. So all that backend code you will get from to this position. Okay, so whatever the things I did in particular in our local host, all that code will be available in our this repository. Perfect. So here I have updated this code. So now I will update our project, and after that I will step by step commit it. Okay, so that will be very much helpful. So here it's now perfect. So now friend, I want to create for our this school management system, we will need some of the class section. We have to add some of the class shift, class group, and the year. So everything will be just one of the code application, but for this project that will be needed. So in our next video, I want to discuss about how can add that student class in your project. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.